Let me introduce you to this particular airdrop that allow me to earn Telegram stars, Kati reward, Amstar tokens, USDT, Bitcoin, and so many others. Alright, let me just show you my wallet here. You can see I have Telegram star, we have 6,000 plus. I have Bitcoin, I have USDT, USD coin, that's USDC. I have TON, I have NOT, I have CBD, I have cards. All these rewards are earned for free. Now, the only aspect of this airdrop is that I have only tried to withdraw my Kati. You can see I have just 10 Kati left, and my withdrawal is still pending. This withdrawal is supposed to be between 7 days, which will elapse tomorrow. So that is when I will know if this airdrop is actually legit or it's just another time wasting airdrop. So all you just have to do is, when you log into this airdrop, you just have to spin, and wherever this spin falls is the reward you get for that very day. And with that, you could earn a lot of crypto assets just by performing spin daily. All right, so if you want to check this out, find the link to this airdrop in the video description.